Welcome to The Explainer. So, if you're a parent or guardian in the Fond du Lac area, I know exactly what's on your mind. You're constantly thinking about your kid's future, right? High school success, getting ready for college, eventually finding a great career. It's a lot to juggle. Well, today, we've put together a supportive guide just for you. We're going to unpack a really fantastic local initiative called the Upward Bound Math and Science Program, or UBMS for short, and we'll show you exactly how this program acts like a sturdy bridge, carrying your students safely all the way from the middle school years right up to college readiness.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. We'll cover building the bridge, the top 3 program benefits, inside the Summer Academy, who should apply, your application timeline, and finally, the next steps for families. Let's jump right in.
Section 1. Building the bridge, connecting middle school to college success. Look, we all know that leap from 8th grade to high school can be, well, it can be totally overwhelming. Without a clear plan, it's just stressful. It's full of uncertainty and a whole lot of guesswork for both you and your child. But that is exactly where the UBMS pathway comes in. It completely swaps out that stress for structured guidance. So instead of guessing, your student gets real academic readiness, which builds the kind of confidence that actually lasts.
You really want to think of this program literally like a giant, sturdy bridge. It starts as early as the summer after 8th grade, and it connects your students safely to their biggest educational goals. And the reason this bridge is so strong is because of the unique partnership holding it up. It's an amazing collaboration between Marian University, local school districts, and federally funded TRIO programs. This whole local network basically bonds together with one single goal: to support your child.
Moving on to Section 2. Top 3 program benefits, what your student gains.
There are 3 absolutely massive benefits we need to talk about. First up, your student gets a super strong academic head start. That summer right after 8th grade is a total game changer. By building up those study habits early, it drastically reduces the stress of walking into 9th grade. Second, you get structured college and career guidance. Let's be real, a lot of families just don't know when to start college planning. This program totally removes that guesswork by exploring careers and college expectations in a really supportive way. And third, it offers a safe, enriching learning environment. Your kid is going to be in a highly supervised, positive setting right on a university campus.
Section 3. Inside the Summer Academy, where growth begins.
So what does this actually look like day to day? Well, the Summer Academy runs from mid-June through late July. It's a Monday through Friday setup, operating during your standard workday hours from 8:15 a.m. to 3:15 p.m. And all of this happens right on the Marian University campus, which is huge because it gives students that early, comfortable exposure to a real college environment.
Now, looking at a 5-day-a-week university summer schedule, you are probably thinking, okay, what's the catch? How much is this going to cost my busy family? And wait, do they sleep there?
Here is the absolute best part. The UBMS program is completely free for eligible families. Because it's federally funded, that financial burden is just gone, zero cost. On top of that, it is a non-residential day program. That means your student gets amazing supervision during the day, but they come home to you every single afternoon. It is literally the smartest choice for busy families.
And during those hours on campus, the curriculum is anything but boring. It's designed to prep students for future careers in math and science through awesome hands-on enrichment activities and team-based projects. We see students gain so much confidence when they tackle these team challenges together. They also dive into college and career exploration, and there are weekly educational field trips every Friday. It makes learning super dynamic and fun, all while helping them get totally comfortable with what campus life is actually like.
Section 4. Who should apply? Eligibility requirements.
Okay, so the program is actively recruiting motivated students who fit a specific profile. Here's the checklist you need. First, your student needs to be entering 9th grade or currently in grades 8 through 11. Second, they should be a potential first-generation college student, which just means neither parent has a 4-year degree. Third, they should be from a limited income household based on federal guidelines. And finally, they just need to be motivated to learn and improve.
Plus, because this is a really special local partnership, students need to be attending or planning to attend one of these specific area high schools: Fond du Lac High School, the STEM Academy, Fondue Central, or Horace Mann High School over in North Fond du Lac.
Section 5. Your application timeline, from application to success.
Since enrollment is limited so they can give everyone individualized support, timing is everything here. Step 1 is absolutely crucial. The application deadline is May 31st. Mark that on your calendar. After that, the Summer Academy kicks off in mid-June, and then comes the big payoff in the fall. Your student enters ninth grade with a massive boost in confidence and academic readiness, which perfectly sets the stage for Step 4, long-term high school and college success.
You might be wondering why we're stressing this timeline so much. It all comes down to early intervention. Catching these kids and providing support before high school begins is actually one of the biggest predictors of long-term graduation. Getting in early builds their academic confidence, it improves their performance, and it literally stops future academic struggles before they even have a chance to start.
Section 6. Next steps for families. Securing your spot.
Taking action is super simple. Step 1, have a quick chat with your child's school counselor, teacher, or coach to get some advice on how this fits their specific academic growth. Step 2, jump online and submit that application before the May 31st deadline. And Step 3, don't be shy, reach out directly to the UBMS staff with any questions at all.
And I have to say, this program is incredibly committed to supporting parents. They make it so easy to get in touch. You can email them at trio.ubms@marianuniversity.edu, or, and I absolutely love this for busy parents, they have a dedicated number just for text messages. Just text 920-266-9397. They really want to hear from you and answer any concerns you might have.
We're going to leave you with this really warm invitation straight from the program. Give your student a strong start before high school even begins. By taking advantage of this free, super enriching program, you are setting them up for a lifetime of success in math, science, and whatever else they dream of doing. If the bridge to their future is already built and it's already fully funded, the only question left is, will you help them take that first step across it today? Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer, and we'll catch you next time.